So after about 15 years of marriage and about 7 kids, one of the common problems we had in this kitchen is this refrigerator that when you close, it opens the freezer. Now, after countless things going spoiled or risking our children's lives, we're just refreezing stuff overnight. We found this little gadget, which I will highly recommend, which is a child safety lock, but with this, the refrigerator doesn't open. And if you have this problem, I will highly recommend you to buy this. And it's strong enough if you forget it's on, and you yank, as long as you don't try to rip off the handle. It stays on. Thumbs up. Find a link if you don't mind. Use my referral. Thanks. Bye.